Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss how to make a table in your web page. So let's beginning the work. Open your Sublime Text 3 editor. Save your file. From file to save as. The name of your page table.html and then save. Here we will type HTML, then enter. This is the basic structure of a HTML page. So in the body we will create a table. For a table, HTML have the table tag. Inside the table tag we will use the table row and table head. So let's see how can table enter and then th tier table row, and inside the table row we will use the th for table head. It is bold and center, and we will give a name of our table head. Let's give the name name we can also create two more table heads for our table. Age and phone number number. So our head is complete. Now we will input the data. For table data we will use the td table data, and for this table head we will use the td for 3 times. So here name we can use any kind of name here, like Bobby, then age 35 and contract number 01, anything you can type here. So this is the basic of a table. So let's see in the browser. Open page with a browser, open with Google Chrome. So here is the table, but we are not using the table border or width, that's why it comes as a simple and it's not looking good. So let's use the width and table border of our table, and we can use this data for many times. Just for example, so in the table we will use the style attribute, and we can use the width for a table 80% width, and border here you can use the border 1 pixel, then save and see again in the browser, refresh. So now you can see the table structure. We can use the heading here like H1 first heading. So this is a table and see again in the browser, refresh. We are just using the heading in here, and this is the basic structure of a table. There is a menu we can use to style our table. Like if we want to make that our table will be collapse with one border, then we can use the border collapse, and for this we can use the style in the head section. Style, and here we can make the style of our table, like table th td sorry tier table row, and th table head. So we want to border collapse, then collapse. Save, and let's see again in the browser. So now you can see this table comes with collapse. So if we want that cell content and its border space, then we CSS padding property, we can use the th and td padding like 15 pixel, and see again in the browser. So now you can see this is called padding. It's makes a space between the border and the cell. If we want that heading comes in the center, then we can use the th text aligned property, text aligned left. By default it is center, but if we want that the heading will be in the left corner, then we can use the left property. So let's see again in the browser. Refresh. Now you can see the heading is comes in the left corner. If we want to use the cell span more than on column or rows, then we can use the row span or col span attribute. So let's make another table for understand. Break, use the line break, then let's create the another table, enter, same style attribute use here for table width 80% width, then border 1 pixel border, and inside the table we will use the tier table row, and then table head th. For a table head we will use the content, write name and phone number, and here we will use the to call span 2, and then use the here table row, and use the td inside the tier td for the table head copy and paste. Name, use any kind of name like Farid. Farid. You can use the Mr. Farid, and then use his phone number. Anything you can type here. So then save. Then save, and let's see in the browser. Refresh. So here you can see it's make the two column with one header. As like we can use the row span to make two or three or many more rows. So let's see how can we create this. Let's copy this table, copy, and then use the line break and paste here. So this we will use for the row. For row span we will use the table head and then table data. Name, you can use the name like Mr. Rahman, and then we will use the th table head separately, and here we will use the row span 2. You can create 3, 4, what you need. Then here we will type the phone number, then data td. Can use the phone number here, anything, and we will make the another table row and then table data only td. So here we will use the another data, then save. And now see in the browser, refresh. So here you can see we are using the double row here, and previous you can see the. So this is the difference between the column span and row span. If we want, then we can also use the caption in our table. Just use the caption in a table, like here, type caption, then this is personal information table, personal information table, then save and see. So this is the caption. You can also change the size of your caption, and you can style of this. So this is all about table. There is a many more work of table in a web page. We will learn more later. So thank you to watching my video, and practice at your home, because if you practice more then you can learn more. Before going, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel just click on this subscribe button and also comment to my videos. Thank you to stay with me. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.